Hello student, welcome to our channel Learning Zoology with EC. I am Dr. Aruna Chakravarti, Associate Professor of Zoology, Government Dungar College, बीकानेर। आज हम कोविड-19 अवेयरनेस लेक्चर के अंतर्गत पार्ट 4 के अंतर्गत वैक्सीनेशन पर बात करेंगे। वैक्सीन जो कि एसेंशियल है, कोविड-19 की रिस्क को रिड्यूस करने के लिए वैक्सीन जो है वो एसेंशियल है। यस, इसके द्वारा इम्यूनिटी जो होती है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है। वैक्सीन जो है बेसिकली यदि हम बात करें तो इसकी 100% एफिकेसी नहीं है, 70 to 80% एफिकेसी होती है। वैक्सीन जो कि सेफ होती है और 2 डोज इसके अवेलेबल हैं। तो आफ्टर वैक्सीनेशन 2 वीक बाद जो होती है इम्यूनिटी जो होती है वो अच्छी हो जाती है। वैक्सीनेशन के बाद नॉर्मली सिंपल सिम्टम्स जो होते हैं जैसे थकावट, बुखार, बदन दर्द, माइल्ड साइड इफेक्ट जो होते हैं। तो ये हम बात करेंगे कि ये साइड इफेक्ट्स हैं, जो माइल्ड साइड इफेक्ट हैं ये अच्छे होते हैं, क्योंकि इससे हमें इंडिकेशन मिलता है कि वैक्सीन जो है वो काम कर रही है। A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganism and is often made from weakened or killed form of the microbe, toxins, or one of its surface proteins. Vaccines save millions of lives each year. Vaccines work by training and preparing the body's natural defense, the immune system, to recognize and fight off the viruses and bacteria they target. After vaccination, if the body is later exposed to those disease-causing germs, the body is immediately ready to destroy them, preventing illness. The different types of vaccine. There are 3 main approaches to designing a vaccine. Their differences lie in whether they use a whole virus or bacterium, just the part of germ that trigger the immune system, or just the genetic material that provides the instruction for making specific protein and not the whole virus. Inactivated vaccine. The first way to make a vaccine is to take the disease-carrying virus or bacterium or one very similar to it and inactivate or kill it using chemicals, heat, or radiation. This approach uses technology that's been proven to work in people. This is the way the flu and polio vaccines are made. And vaccine can be manufactured on a reasonable scale. However, it requires special laboratory facilities to grow the virus or bacterium safely, can have a relatively long production time, and will likely require 2 or 3 doses to be administered. A live attenuated vaccine uses a living but weak version of the virus or one that's very similar. The measles, mumps and rubella, that is MMR vaccine, and the chickenpox and single vaccine are examples of this type of vaccine. This approach uses similar technology to the inactivated vaccine and can be manufactured at scale. However, vaccine like this may not be suitable for people with compromised immune system. Viral vector vaccine. This type of vaccine uses a safe virus to deliver specific subpart called proteins of the germ of interest so that it can trigger an immune response without causing disease. To do this, the instruction for making particular parts of the pathogen of interest are inserted into a safe virus. The safe virus then serves as a platform or vector to deliver the protein into the body. The protein triggers the immune responses. The Ebola vaccine is a viral vector vaccine, and this type can be developed rapidly. A subunit vaccine is one that only uses the very specific part, the subunit of a virus or bacterium that the immune system needs to recognize. It doesn't contain the whole microbe or use a safe virus as a vector. The subunits may be protein or sugar. Most of the vaccine on the childhood schedule are subunit vaccine protecting people from diseases such as whooping cough, tetanus, diphtheria, and meningococcal meningitis. The genetic approach, nucleic acid vaccine. Unlike vaccine approaches that use either a weakened or dead whole microbe or part of one, a nucleic acid vaccine just uses a section of genetic material that provides the instructions for specific proteins, not the whole microbe. DNA and RNA are the instructions our cells use to make protein. In our cells, DNA is first turned into messenger RNA, which is then used as blueprint to make specific protein. Bharat Biotech is honored to develop, manufacture and supply Covaxin for India's vaccine rollout at 150 per dose, which is distributed for free by the Government of India. Currently, there are two vaccines that are being given to beneficiaries, Covaxin and Covishield, and both require two doses for completing the vaccination course. While two doses of Covaxin are given 4 to 6 weeks apart, the gap between two Covishield doses could be 4 to 8 weeks. So far, Pfizer ongoing trial indicates the company's two-dose vaccine remains highly effective for at least 6 months and likely longer. People who got Moderna vaccine also still had notable level of virus fighting antibodies 6 months after the second required shot. Systematic effect included headache, fatigue, chills, shiver, diarrhea, fever, arthralgia, myalgia, and nausea. Local side effects meaning side effects where the injection took place in the arm included pain at the site of injection, swelling, tenderness, redness, itch, worm, and swollen armpit gland. While the symptoms show your immune system is responding to the vaccine in a way that will protect against disease. Evidence from clinical trials show that people with few or no symptoms were also protected. Don't feel bad if you don't feel bad, the expert says. How do different COVID-19 vaccines work? First of all, we discuss viral vector. Uses a harmless virus which is altered to contain part of COVID-19 genetic code. RNA nucleic acid contain a synthetic version of a part of COVID-19 genetic code, that is messenger RNA. Whole virus contain a weakened or inactivated version of the COVID-19 virus. Protein subunit uses pieces of the COVID-19 virus, sometimes fragments of the spike protein. Now, how some of the COVID-19 vaccine compare? Oxford AstraZeneca. This is viral vector genetic modified virus type. Doses 2 60 to 90% effective. स्टोरेज जो है वो रेगुलर फ्रिज टेम्परेचर. मॉडर्ना RNA पार्ट ऑफ वायरस जेनेटिक कोड. डोजेज 2 95% effective, -20 degrees Celsius up to 6 month storage. Pfizer-BioNTech RNA type, 2 doses, 95% effective and storage -70 degrees Celsius. Gamaleya Sputnik V viral vector, that is 2 doses, 92% effective, regular fridge temperature in dry form storage. स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने वैक्सीनेशन के बारे में बात की। हो सकता है आने वाले कई सालों तक हमें कोविड-19 के साथ में जीना पड़े, इसलिए हमें मास्क, वैक्सीनेशन और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करना चाहिए। इंडिया में 2 वैक्सीन, कोविशील्ड और कोवैक्सीन अवेलेबल है, जिनकी 70 to 80% एफिकेसी मानते हैं। फर्स्ट डोज के बाद में याददाश्त जो है बढ़ाने के लिए सेकेंड बूस्टर डोज जो है लगाया जा रहा है। प्रेग्नेंट और स्तनपान कराने वाली महिलाओं के लिए वैक्सीनेशन सेफ है। रिस्क जो है वो वैक्सीन ना लेने पर है। वैक्सीनेशन के लिए मैं लोगों के लिए मैसेज देना चाहूँगी कि हमें मानवीय मूल्यों को बचाकर रखना चाहिए। वैक्सीन की बढ़ती हुई डिमांड को देखकर सेलर ने हायर रेट में वैक्सीन को बेचने लग रहे हैं, तो हमें मानवीय मूल्यों को बचाकर रखना चाहिए और कोविड-19 की रिस्क को रिड्यूस करने के लिए वैक्सीनेशन लेना चाहिए।